Yeah, you can speak.
Hello everyone, I am Nitish Rajan from GC Salem, pursuing BE Civil final year. I am going to present on the topic difference between carpet area, length area or built-up area and super built-up area. And my trainer is Ashok Kumar sir. Okay. The contents here I am going to
A
discuss
little
on.
volume, please.
Okay sir. I'm going to discuss broadly on introduction on what is as per RERA, what is carpet area, what is plinth or built-up area, what is super built-up area, and conclusion part. So, what is as per RERA? So, RERA is Real Estate Regulations and Development Act 2016. It came into amendment in 2016. So, before going into RERA, we must have a clear knowledge of area regarding carpet area, build-up area, and super built-up area. So, before this RERA, buying a property is difficult for buyers since it may lead to a lot of disconnect as he may pay for one and he will get another regarding land size or flat size. So the maximum number of cases were registered against the developers on the issue of cheating. So after RERA, it is a duty of the developer or a builder to make aware of the carpet area to the buyers and quote prices based on the carpet area and not on the super built-up area. So what is carpet area? The orange part is the actual carpet area where you can spread your carpet in your living room. This includes your toilet, kitchen, bedroom, or any place dining. And balcony won't. It is not included here. Okay, so it is a net usable area of the apartment, which includes, as I said above, that interior, internal partition walls, all rooms, cupboard spaces, and if staircase available within property unit, it should be included. Otherwise, it should be put into the exclusion list. Exclusion list include some lift, lobby, floor bed, etc. So technically speaking, that area between the inner walls is the carpet area. So next, what is plinth area or built-up area? So here, that gray colored lines are the wall area along with the carpet area. Totally, we should consider it as built-up area. So that is carpet area plus the area of the external walls is the built-up area. Okay. So how it is measured? It is actually measured at any floor level. It can be taken up at the basement or at the at any story, maybe first floor or second floor. So it is generally 10 to 20% more than the carpet area. It's also called as built-up area. This includes balconies and other amenities like a servant room, etc. But also excludes the following like open terrace area, lift and lift lobby, and a staircase, etc. So as I said before, the built-up area is equal to carpet area plus wall areas covered by the walls. And in a flat, if there are two houses, they may share a common external wall. So according to BOQ, the external wall formwork will be divided, cost will be divided as 50% between the individual two houses. Okay, next, what is super built up area? So the common areas are depicted here as that olive green colored one. Along with that built up area, together they make super built up area. Okay, so super built up areas otherwise are also a built up area in addition with proportionate share of lift shafts, lifts, lobbies, staircase, and other amenities, etc. Like security rooms, those comes under this. With exclusions like swimming pools, if parks in townships they may have parks, so those things will come under this. And it is 20 to 40% more than the carpet area. So this is a difference between the three areas. And the conclusion is, so before 2016, that is RERA came into amendment. So those things, the flats were sold mainly on super built up area. They were not sold on carpet area, so that the builders could make more money, and they used to inflate that super built up area. As a result, the property cost also will shoot up. So buyers will have to suffer, as he has to pay maintenance charges every year based on a built up area and super built up area. So after RERA came into amendment, it is mandatory for a builder and developer to sell flats on the basis of carpet area and not on the super built up area or built up area. So now the method of calculation of carpet area is clearly defined by RERA, and therefore developer couldn't manipulate for their profit. Thank you.